How's it going, everybody? Back again working on the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 3.6 3.7 liter V6. We changed out the alternator, brand new. We thought it was the alternator draining out the battery, but it wasn't the problem. We thought it was a starter. First we disconnected the battery, had to walk it to AutoZone, about 2 blocks. Took about an hour to walk there and back, and still nothing. We cleaned off all the groundings. There's a ground right here, just in case you want to check it yourself. Also, there's a ground right here and another ground right here. Remove the reservoir to get to it. There's a screw right here. Also, there's a ground. There's a ground right here. You can see it in the light. But the problem was the starter. It wasn't fully connected. You can see the little the yellow cable. The yellow cable was a connector one. It connects to a little rod. That was the problem. I just connected it back and it started right up. Before that, when we would start it, it would just have a dead click, like you turn the key and it'll be kind of hard to start. But if you need to change your starter out, you don't need to drop the drive shaft. All you need to do is just get a 15 millimeter right there, 15 millimeter for those two, and 13 millimeter for those two, right where my nail is. And this ground one right here, the grounding is a 15 as well. All right, have a good one. Bye.